Here's a tutorial of my simul method I created for the Rubik's clock, or the Rubik's triangle clock, I should say. This method I just came up with it a little bit ago, and I think I might use this memory method over 6 simul, but I wouldn't say it's really much better than 6 simul. It's more like efficient, but the ergonomics are slightly worse because it has a V move and it has a weird simul move at the end. But this method still has a lot of potential of being the best method. And memorization is much easier than 6 simul. So let's get into this tutorial. So first we hold it where it looks like a sealed. And I just think this looks like a sealed. You can make it look like whatever you want, but I just hold it that it's sealed. So this is not good, but you're supposed to hold it like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do your first memorization, which is just L to UL. And for this one to this one, needs to go 1, 2, 3. And it's going 3 into the counterclockwise position, so it's gonna be -3. Then we do L to U, so it's -1, -2, -3, -4. So it's -4. -3, -4. Then we do R to U, and that goes -3. So it's -3, -4, and -3. Then how we're gonna know what we're gonna execute is we're gonna put the top right pin down, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it to the other side, with this being the top right pin. Then we are gonna solve this intuitive. So we're gonna solve these 3 pieces intuitive. So like this and like this. In one singular motion, it will look like this. Then we'll put this pin down and these 2 pins up. Then what we will do is we're gonna do our first 2. So again, our memorization was the -3, -4, -3. So we're gonna do -3, -4 with the right. Then we put this pin up, this pin down, and with the bottom side, we go -3. And then with the top, with this corner, on the up pinch, we're gonna match this one to wherever that's at. So this goes -3. This is matching up to that location. So like this, and like this. Then, what we're gonna do is we're gonna match these 2 with that. And we're just gonna match everything to that. So also these stuff, we're gonna match them with that. And then we're gonna do our final simul move, which is watch carefully. I'm gonna hold both sides of the clock, both pins, and I'm just gonna put it to 12. And that is the end of the tutorial. I'm gonna do a quick time solve because I feel decently confident with the method. There we go.